quickly going to go over how to remove the duplex belt in case you want to run a 357 beltless, which some people like to do. So you're first going to start out by going into the chamber pocket here. You're going to go, we have 2 metal 3-bar straps in there. So you're going to take your pack here. You'll notice the shoulder straps are woven into the belt here, and we'll be replacing that with our 3-bar straps here. So you're going to want to remove these. Sometimes you'll have to carefully feed the tab under the ladder lock and pull that out. It'll be a little tricky. Okay, so from here, you want to remove the delta strap. All you got to do here is do that. So, get the other side. Okay. Next, you'll see common loop and metal 3-bar. You're going to want to undo those. It's pretty simple. You just twist it up like that, and it'll come right out. Okay. From here, fold your lumbar pad down, slide off the belt, set it aside, and now you're going to notice after you close this back up, there will be a common loop sewn next to the delta strap here. I'll show you. Right here. Not the ladder lock, but the common loop. You're going to want to take your strap here, feed this through, just like that. You want to make sure that the metal clip's on the outside, not on the inside. It could start to rub on your clothing or your skin. You're going to want to take this now up to the ladder lock here on the shoulder strap, just like that. Do this other side. Cool. So, there you have it. Up top, load lifter stay the same. All you're doing is just removing the belt and replacing it with these metal 3-bar straps, and you're good to go.